What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing analysis on PHUN ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might affect the price of this ticker. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should you expect from the price action. So let's start with the price chart. This asset is extremely volatile, as you can see, and from the lowest point on October 21st till its highest point, it surged up for more than 2000%. Incredible price action. But you have to be cautious because this movement to the upside was at the second 15 minutes of the starting of its trades, and then it moved down for more than 76%, and this massive sell-off drastically hurts a lot of people who bought the shares of this company right here, and you have to remember it. This asset is very volatile and very risky. Let me show you that if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the very bottom to the very top, as you can see, we have first bounce, real bounce from the level of 0.786, not from the golden pocket, and this means that this asset is weaker than DWAC ticker because its bounce was made from the golden pocket, and this is the most probable level of trend reversal. This means from this point it also has a good possibilities to bounce back and hit some higher targets. But let's continue with PHUN. So what to expect next from this price action I will show you in a minute, but for now let's take a look on its fundamentals, and we have to find out what is this company about. So let's start with the company profile. Phunware, together with its subsidiaries, provides integrated software platform that equips companies with the products, solutions and services to engage, manage and monetize their mobile application portfolios worldwide. So this is a software company, okay. And for now, this company has a total market cap, according to this data, at the level of $116.3 million. And they have a revenue of only $8.23 million with a negative revenue growth of 37.55%. And they have losses of more than $35 million. Not the best numbers, I have to say. They have $2.71 million on their cash position, and their debt is $5.86 million. So they cannot cover their debts with their cash position, and they have a negative net income. So fundamentally, this company is not the best one. I have to say that it is one of the worst companies that I've made my TA on. And let me show you what was the catalyst of this company. And on October 22nd on Seeking Alpha we have this article. Phunware soaring to over $1 billion on the back of Trump's DWAC SPAC. And let me quote you the summary. Phunware has spiked up to 1000% as of the morning of October 22nd. The company's valuation rose from under $50 million in recent weeks to nearly $1.5 billion. The company worked with Trump 2020 campaign, and excitement around the new Trump media and technology group seems to have caught onto Phunware. And let me quote you right here. Phunware provided services to the Trump 2020 campaign, their largest customer at the time, helping develop and manage their app, social media and personal data found therein. This close association with the Trump's media presence may be enough to have caused the price spike. There is no current information suggesting Phunware will benefit from the new Trump media and technology group, though the company has yet to file a comprehensive prospectus. And here is the main part. This still doesn't justify the price Phunware is trading at today. As part of the Trump 2020 campaign, Phunware received $2.4 million in the months leading up to the election. It is unlikely that a new venture with TMTG would lead to a much higher payoff to Phunware. And this means we don't have enough fundamentals behind the scenes of this company, and that's why it is not a long-term play and it is not the investment play. And we have a lot of analysts that covered the same ticker, and they have absolutely the same conclusion. And right here on TipRanks we have two ratings of this company, and all of them suggest to buy, but the price target is at from $1.75 to $2, and we have about 80% of downside potential with this company, and this price target is the real value of this company. That's why you have to be cautious. And right here on stocktweets.com we have this ticker among the leaders on the most active section and the watchers section. On the most active section it has a third position with 4,500 mentions, and on the watchers section it is on the fourth position with 2,300 mentions. And we don't have this ticker among the list of trending. That's why, in my opinion, this asset is losing its momentum, and you have to be extremely cautious. And right here on apewisdom.io we also have this ticker on the top 3 list, but if you click on it, and you will see that the sentiment is not so bullish, and it is losing momentum. Let me show it to you. It's losing its momentum, and it has more than 64% decrease during last 24 hours, and the number of upvotes is barely above 1,000. And that's why, in my opinion, Phunware is not the best play for you as an investor and even as a trader. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should you do if you want to enter the position? In my opinion, I highly recommend not to enter any position at all, because as you can see, this asset has a huge spike in price and in volume, and for now it is moving sideways, but the volume is extremely low, and this means, in my opinion, we cannot have any bounces from this ticker, because it has major indicators at the neutral level, and it might go either way. But in the long-term perspective, this company will continue its movement to the downside, and that is why you have to be cautious with any positions of this stock. And let me show you what should you be aware of. Right here we can clearly see this range, and it acts as a support, some kind of support right here, and we also have this price action, and it is a confluence level with 0.786 Fibonacci retracement, and this might act as a support. But in my opinion, if we will break it on Monday's session and we break this previous bottom at the range of $5.52, we will see some lower price action, and the downside potential for this ticker is really massive. We might have up to 80% to cover this gap, and this is the real case, and in my opinion it is one of the most probable cases. So it is what it is. If you want to benefit from the recent Trump's announcement, just switch to DWAC ticker, and I covered it yesterday and I will cover it potentially tomorrow. And this asset has much more short-term and long-term potential, and that is why it is less risky than a PHUN ticker. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!